Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for clicking on this video. So after cleaning my closet, I found these really old Jordans that I bought years ago. They don't fit me anymore, so I decided to make a display for these shoes. I wanted to make something cool, so I put some ideas together and came up with this. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so personally, I've never thrown shoes around a telephone wire before, but I've always seen it in a neighborhood and it always catches my attention. So my goal was to capture outside a part of the streets and have it framed and hung indoors. My initial thought was to build a shelf and have the shoes displayed on the shelf. But as an artist, I had to think deeper and more creative. Please let me know what you think. I appreciate any feedback, and again, thanks for watching. So this project was made with basic tools that anyone can buy at a hardware store. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below. I had really fun with this project, and I hope you guys liked the final piece.